Hello dear parents and my dear children. I hope all are doing well. This is me, Dr. Usha, Senior Faculty in the Biological Sciences. Today I am going to discuss with you about a NEET 2022 UG exam, which is every year conducted by this National Testing Agency. This academic year also very soon they plan about this NEET exam, like July 17th, very near. Prior to that, all students have tension about their board examination, and followed by NEET have only the 30-35 days hardly. Being as a subject faculty, then it's my duty and my responsibility to share my views with you regarding yours for the future career, how to you need to be beat it. NEET 2022 exam date July 17th, as you know everyone, and the admissions for what sake we are mostly writing that very crucial exam on July 17th for medical courses, for BDS, and then Ayush. Ayush is nothing but what homeopathy, Unani, Ayurveda. For that examination purpose also you are just writing one core exam. Entire country thriving for that exam, that is one another than NEET exam. AIMS, JIPMER like competitive exam so far people wrote, and they got separate ranks for that institution. Today, see children, all national level in organizations, institutions, they were included in the NEET entrance examination. So, it's very important. Number of the seats are very less. Number of NEET aspirants are more. I mean 17-18 lakh. The most of the children are writing this academic year also competition is more, because last year many of the children not achieved their goals. Once again they are the competitors for you children this academic year who are the freshers. Then which chapters now you need to give a priority, and few chapters which you give less priority also okay you can manage that NEET around the 580 plus marks and up to the 680 marks depends upon your IQ. Don't put more pressure and the stress on your mind. If your Usha ma'am is saying you today about this NEET exam, about its difficulties and all, number of the aspirants, number of medical seats, this pressure is there of course children, but you need to be overcome from the stress. Be happy, cool and calm, and preparation start with plan. Today I am giving you a proper plan in all the subjects, including my own subject, biological sciences. In botany subject, being as a botanist, then I am giving you few tips in that subject first, because 360 marks pillars of this NEET examination. So 180 marks goes to this botany subject. So every line in NCERT, textbook is very important, that you need to be read every day, every point you need to be learn, and you need to write in your notebook. Remember the important figures in the chapters. In every chapters, it is possible to ask highlights of the all the chapters. They can framework the questionnaires on that base. Important chapters in the botany: plant physiology. Plant physiology including photosynthesis, mineral nutrition, plant growth and development, respiration. Oh, very tough, right children? These all chapters you may feel like it is a chemistry mixed with botany maybe. Sometimes in my class, children all will feel that what happened to botany ma'am, that she is teaching chemistry only today, all equations. So therefore this plant physiology of course tough, but the priority you need to give 100%, not 19% only. First you start your preparation with plant physiology, and later second year book ecology. Ecology occupying 17%, very important. Genetics. Genetics in the second year also very important, starting with the Mendel laws, ending with the sex disorders. It means plants and animal science together, genetics, which is there in your second year textbook. Children, all of you refer your NCERT, and there is a 20% weightage goes to it. And then cell structure and its function. It means cell biology, cell organelles and their function. Scientists who discovered that cell organelle and their functions. Cell cycle, cell division, mitosis, meiosis. Relevant at some twisting problems also sometimes they are asking, be careful. So the priority goes to that unit itself, only the 10%. Diversity in the living, first year, first unit. Then in that living world, and plant kingdom, animal kingdom. These three chapters are very important, one after the other. Living world, okay, you can give less priority. Plant kingdom, animal kingdom, you can give more priority. Overall, the diversity in the living, 10%. In addition, the rest of all chapters are also very important. If I am saying these are the chapters very important and rest of the chapters you should not neglect, children, that also you need to go line to line in your NCERT textbook. One can also ask the questions beyond the NCERT 2 questions. Always I will tell you that read extra information, children. Yes, that's true. 2 questions beyond the NCERT. It means our institution material is also very important. The 2 questions carry 8 marks. Then remember, one mark is very, very important. So it's a mandatory to read the introduction or the preview of that lesson along with the main text in each chapter. As in botany, every line, every lesson in the NCERT textbook should be read and remember all the flow charts. Now coming to some chapters are there, children, in the second year where botany and zoology together they mixed. Biotechnology unit. Biotechnology unit only very important. Give priority to that and read up to the recent trend updates of that biotechnology which is connected with the environmental issues and disorders given in NCERT which is related to the human physiology. And then reproduction, human reproduction I mean. And then followed by reproductive health of human. Even sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Reproduction in organism. Oh God, reproduction topic in plants and animal only playing major role. NCERT line to line, you please prepare, children. And there is a chance of asking questions in which chapters beyond the NCERT? Human reproduction, reproductive health. So then you need to read additional information in that. Flow charts you prepare with your own, or else you take the help of your teachers. And different mechanisms which are there in biological sciences, you should be well practiced. Many students and parents, they'll say, oh ma'am, the subject which is very difficult, physics, because mathematical application will be there in the physics subject. Theory part, mostly very less percentage only the NEET questions will become in case of the physics. Very less number of the questions from the theory part. And most of the questions mathematical applications only. So whoever are saying very difficult, children, please don't say that it is an unscientific concept. to achieve good marks in a physics along with the other subjects, you can get good rank also. And life tenure ambition is what? To get admission in one government medical college. No one will dream that I need to get a private college, lots of money, I want to expand on the institutions. And your parents are working hard, children, please don't do that. Do work hard. What the plan I am giving you, please follow. And most of the questions in case of the physics also coming from the chapters like modern physics and semiconductors, mechanics, electricity, magnetism, and then heat. Although it is not clear with you, I know that children will say in these chapters it's not clear. Which chapter is not clear, that chapter only very important. See, mathematics means most of the PCB children will get panic. Then in the physics, mainly if you don't know calculation part, formulas, application in this subject is very, very important, because theory part of the questions come from NCERT only. Whereas the calculation, mathematical approach in the physics will become from out of our, beyond the NCERT. Also there is a possibility. As you know, in respective institutions, most probably we are finding that in the question paper they are giving out of the NCERT also few questions to make you get experience for that exam. Different elements in a gravitation, electrostatics, and then magnetism, and applications of these formulas, you need to compare them, so it will save the time. If these chapters, if you are practiced by observing a similar topic rather than separately. Practice circuit based circulations in electricity. Must have mastery, what you call as mastery of topics like conformation of linear angular momentum and energy in mechanics. Okay, fine. Biology close friend, chemistry. Yes. Chemistry. Chemistry is very useful to get higher marks in the NEET exam. NCERT books only, once again I am giving you instruction that read NCERT for the sake of this chemistry as like biology. There is approximately, not exactly 15 to 20 questions they are taking from the physical chemistry only. High percentage it counts for. The main element in this section are what? Chemical and ionic equilibrium and redox reaction, as you know, solutions, and electrochemistry. Rest of all other chapters you should read along with these chapters. 15 to 20 questions can also come from the what? The organic chemistry, application of this general organic chemistry, isomerism are very important in this field. These include hydrocarbons, alcohols, aldehyde and amides. 12 to 18 questions may be asked from inorganic chemistry. It's easy, right children? Inorganic chemistry, then organic chemistry, chemical bonding, S block elements, coordination compounds and all. The main thing is what? Different kinds of the elements you need to learn properly. Different differences between all group of elements, not only S block elements. Important formulas, graphs you need to practice more and more. Last but least, I want to tell you each subject has a single statement with 2 or 3 columns attached to it, and giving the correct answer rather than the wrong answer depending on the graph It is possible to ask question like this, a variety of the model questions. So it is desirable to practice the different model of the questions, assertion reasons, and then statements, incorrect statement, correct statement. What has been learned so far? So far means in the first year, some children will learn so far that chapters should be further. Again, you need to make it strengthen without trying to learn new difficult topics and all. So far what you had done the practice, the same topics you strengthen first. A good rank in the NEET exam is possible if you follow the timing techniques and you handle the time skillfully and manage it, and without any stress, with confident, not overconfident, with confidence, move forward. All the best, dear children, for your board examination and coming NEET examination. God bless you all. Thank you very much.